Hello dear Aquarians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Uh, Before we start reading for this month, July 2020, Aquarius, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel Karmic Sage so that you shouldn't be missing out on my further videos. And thank you so much for doing that. And let's begin with this reading. Here comes your first card, and overall, what I am seeing are fabulous cards ahead this month. So let's see, this is Knight of Pentacles. Okay, Knight of Pentacles cards is talks about hard work, rewarding, getting your hard work rewarded, or it's bringing opportunities. This Knight of Pentacles is actually providing you opportunities to work, work and prove yourself. Okay, and at the same time to work and increase your income. Okay, so you will be served with opportunities to perform. So this is the time where you should be prepared to to move ahead and to accept these challenges, coming challenges or the opportunities, because that these things are going to bring you positive results, going to reward you in the future. And at the same time, not just in the future, because the Aquarius, and the second card, Ace of Pentacles, is already saying that there are new positive beginnings in your career life actually. Or if it's a relationship, there will be the relationship will also going to give you some kind of new beginnings, some kind of materialistic possession. All right, so a kind of reward, materialistic reward also, this new relationship is going to bring you. Probably new ventures, new joint ventures can be planned again. Okay, so these two cards are talking more about opportunities, new beginnings when it comes to your professional life, and when it comes to your business, career, or other sense. Even if it is coming to your personal life, if it is about your love life, this is going to give you an opportunity to maybe, never know, you may fall in love with someone this month. Okay, because yeah, you are going to be served with new possibilities when it comes to your personal life. So, or maybe you are also going to possibility of meeting someone in the age less than 30 years, a person, a man or a woman who is going to help you out in the situation here. Okay, uh, help you out in moving forward in gaining good results. Right, and then here comes your third card here, Aquarians, and this is again talks about victory. I'm seeing victory in with all the things that you are struggling with. A Six of Wands, where I'm seeing you are moving forward with a lot of courage, and which is going to give you a stand or about yourself, which is going to give you, make you win for taking this stand about yourself, fighting this battle, or making all your efforts is going to give you or reward you with a win. Okay, so be ready for this, because all the things, opportunities, winning, and many good things are what this month of July is bringing to you. Wow. And yeah, let's see the what energy is telling you, Aquarius. Okay, cornucopia is something that says that abundance of harvest waits for you. Wow. So overall, this month is something, you are going to get something or the other this month, because the energy is saying that you should be prepared to get rewarded. You should be prepared for the financial riches, job fulfillment, also a satisfaction. So much of satisfaction that a farmer gets when the harvest comes. When the harvest, when he reaps the harvest, and yeah, when time comes to gain his energy, I mean gain his reward for it. So this kind of feeling is what is going to come to you uh, in the month of July 2020. So wow, that's Yeah, says yeah. Just be ready for feast of abundance. Don't forget me to invite to the feast again. Okay, so dear Aquarians, this is what this month is bringing to you. I don't have anything much to say about in detail because all in all, I'm saying a prosperous month to you. Just keep tapping the opportunities because these opportunities are going to reward you. All right, and yeah, here comes your universe message. A message from the universe, starry message again. I am the loving energy of the universe, of course. And moreover, when we feel that ki, I am the loving energy of the universe, the more love we attract from the universe also. The more we associate with the universe, the more the universe serves us. So try to do that. Try to connect to the universe, and then you will see the wonders happening with you. I mean, how you can actually attract those energies, those positive vibes from the universe. Okay, so that's all for this month, dear Aquarians. I'm binding this video. I'm binding this session. Let's see you again in the coming month. Till then, I wish you good luck. Have a great time. Bye bye.